Hi guys! Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Linear graphs. What are they? How do we use them? Let's find out. To keep it simple, in our O-level syllabus, we only learn two main types of functions. The first is linear functions. The second is quadratic functions. Now, if you look at the word linear, L-I-N-E-A-R, the first four letters of the word tells you it's a line. Linear graphs are going to be straight line graphs, and they will have the equation in the form of y equals to mx plus c. And we have quadratic equations that look like y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c, and they usually take the form of a curve. It's going to be symmetrical, and we call this a parabola. The line of symmetry is at the minimum or the maximum point. The curve is symmetrical. And we are going to focus on linear functions today. And there are usually four different types of linear graph. The first one looks like this. It looks like an uphill graph. From the left to the right is going uphill. And this is called a positive gradient graph. So it will usually look something like y equals to 2x minus 3. So we see that in y equals to 2x minus 3, the gradient is actually 2, which is a positive number. Now, for this second type of graph, from the left to the right, it is down slope. So from left to right goes down slope. This is a negative gradient graph. So it will look something like y equals to negative x plus 5. And we know that from this equation, we know that y equals to mx plus c, that m is actually negative 1. Now the last two types of graphs are the simplest graphs. Because why? First of all, you have a horizontal line. Horizontal line has got zero gradient. And therefore, the equation will look something like y equals to 3. How is it possible? Now see, the gradient is 0. So if I have y equals to mx plus c, I effectively have y equals to 0x plus the y-intercept. So if my horizontal line cuts at 3, I call the line y equals to 3. Y equals to 0x plus 3, which I can simplify into y equals to 3. And you will realize that anywhere on this straight line graph, regardless of whether x is 0, x is 1, x is 2 or negative 1, the y value is always 3. Therefore, the equation